Good morning, guys. This is the current affairs session for 21st October 2019. So, let's start. Today our first current affair is the Culture Department of Uttar Pradesh government is organizing India's first training and performance program of world famous Kon Ramlila. Okay, Kon Ramlila, a mixed form of Ramlila art of Thailand, in collaboration with Thailand government. So for the first time, Uttar Pradesh government cultural department is going to organize India's first training and performance programs of Kon Ramlila, and Kon Ramlila is the mixed form of Ramlila art from Thailand. Okay. Second, former IMF chief Christine Lagarde is appointed as the head of European Central Bank. So, Christine Lagarde, he is former IMF chief, okay, and now appointed as the head of European Central Bank. Third, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan, co-chaired the first Joint Committee meeting, that is JCM, along with Dr. Hiroto Izumi, Special Advisor to Prime Minister in Tokyo on 19 October 2019. Okay, so Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, co-chaired the first JCM, Joint Committee meeting. Okay, next, President of Chile, Sebastián Pinera, has declared a state of emergency in Santiago, that is the capital of Chile, following the worst violence the city has seen in the years. So, a state of emergency is declared in Santiago by President of Chile, Sebastián Pinera. Okay. Next, the Non-Aligned Movement (NAM) summit is to be held in Baku, Azerbaijan. Okay. So, Non-Aligned Movement (NAM) summit is to be held in Baku, Azerbaijan, and this summit is to be held between October 25 and October 26, 2019. The 18th NAM summit will be preceded by ministerial meetings and senior official meetings. So, do remember that NAM or Non-Aligned Summit Movement is to be held in Baku, Azerbaijan. Okay, you may pronounce it as Azerbaijan. And well, guys, if you are enjoying this current affairs session, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends so that they will also get benefit from this session. Okay, so coming to the static GK portion, I have included 10 most important GK for this current affairs session. And they are, the first one, the Rajukas work in judicial capacity as well as being revenue administrators. During Ashoka's reign, they were given increased judicial powers in the settlement of disputes. Question will come like, Rajukas have been assigned what type of work? So, like that, then they will be assigned actually what? Judicial capacity on and revenue administrators. Clear? Then next, Sarada is a script of Brahmic family of scripts developed around 8th century, and it was used for writing Sanskrit and Kashmiri. So Sarada, developed around 8th century, is used for writing Sanskrit and Kashmiri, and is a script of Brahmic family of scripts. Next, the Gurumukhi script was developed from Sarada. Okay, Sarada is the Brahmic family script developed in 8th century, and now Gurumukhi script was developed from Sarada by Guru Angad. Originally more widespread, its use became later restricted to Kashmir, and it is now rarely used except by the Kashmiri Pandit community for ceremonial purposes. Next, during the time of Harsha, an script called Siddhi Matrika, okay, Siddhi Matrika was developed which is sometimes also known as Harsha script. And note that this Siddhi Matrika was the form of writing in which Sanskrit works became known in China and Japan. Okay. Next, the Saptanga theory of state, that is theory of 7 limbs of the state, was propounded by whom? Kautilya in Arthashastra. Saptanga theory of state or theory of 7 limbs of the state. Kautilya, Arthashastra. Okay. You know, Arthashastra is the famous book written by Kautilya. Then, also do remember that Arthashastra is not just about economic, it's also about war, rules and disciplines. Then, Article 110 defines the money bill. So, money bill is being defined by Article 110. Next, property was made a legal right from a fundamental right by which amendment of Constitution? By 44th Constitutional Amendment Act in 1978, property was made a legal right from fundamental right. Then, 3 important books and their authors. Planned Economy for India. It's a book by M. Visheshwarya. Okay, M. Visheshwarya wrote the book Planned Economy for India. Then, Gandhian Plan by Srimana Narayana in 1944. Gandhian Plan by Sriman Narayan in 1944. Then Sarvodaya Plan by Jai Prakash Narayan in 1950. Then coming to the next current affair. Current affair number 6. Sri Lanka has been removed from grey list of Financial Action Task Force, that is FATF, following the new measures taken by the country on financial security. So the word grey list identified by FATF refers to a jurisdiction with strategic anti-money laundering and countering the financing of terrorism, AML and CFT deficiencies. Now, Sri Lanka has been removed from that grey list of FATF. Next, ahead of Diwali, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India issued a 10-point guidelines to the sweet manufacturers. So, ahead of Diwali, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India issued 10-point guidelines to the sweet manufacturer. Then, India and the Philippines signed a 4 Memorandum of Understanding, that is MOUs, during President Kobin's visit there. And these agreements include the sharing of white shipping information between the Philippine Coast Guard and the Indian Navy. So, India and the Philippines signed 4 MOUs during the President Kobin's visit to there. Next, India is planning to set up the biggest facial recognition system in the world. Yeah, you heard it correct. The biggest facial recognition system in the world is going to be set up by India. And under this plan, it is planning to build a centralized database that can be accessed by police officials from all the states across the country. National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB, National Crime Records Bureau, released documents which included 172 pages detailed report about this facial recognition project. And today's last current affair is Ahmedabad City Police Commissioner Anup Kumar Singh was appointed as the Director General of the National Security Guard, that is NSG, by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So, Anup Kumar Singh, who is the Ahmedabad City Police Commissioner, now being appointed as the Director General of the NSG, National Security Guard, by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So, these are the selected current affairs as well as general knowledge for today. Now, coming to the today's question from the last class, and today's question is this. In the Indian Innovation Index (III) 2019 released by Niti Aayog, which state is recognized as the most innovative state in the India? First option Tamil Nadu, second option Haryana, Third option Maharashtra. Fourth option Karnataka. Okay. So do comment your answer. Then we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care and bye bye.